Sound and music everywhere, Peru to Senegal. I'll hum it, drum-de-dum it, I'm the Ghost of Faffner Hall. Music high, music low, oh down on a ball. With me around, sounds abound, the Ghost of Faffner Hall. Music for a tuba, a drum, a voice, a bell. Come, my dears, and bring your ears, and you can play as well. Sound and music everywhere to fill and thrill us all. With me around, sounds abound, the Ghost of Faffner Hall.
Let me see. Ah! Oh, dear me. Listen to that. Oh, that's fantastic. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh. Hello, Faffner Hall. Wild Impresario singing. You what? You wish to enter our festival of sound? You found a what? A singing keg? Oh, it's a barrel tone. Yes, well, roll it right over. Come in. My. Who are you?
We are the Gargles.
We're here to take part in the Festival of Sound.
The gargles? You mean to tell me you gargle for a living?
No, only part-time. The rest of the time, we're dentists. Open wide.
That's amazing! Excellent sound for the festival. You know, we hear all sorts of sounds, and then we start to choose the ones we like. And I like that sound, very much.
So do we.
Good. I look forward to hearing you again later. Thank you. Bye. Close the door when you go out. Nice gargles, but not the sound to top the bill. No. Hello, Fughetta.
Wild Impresario, I am here to offer you a sound to top the bill at the festival.
Well, fine, let's hear it. Yes, very nice, Fughetta, but we were really listening for something more lively.
More lively?
Yes, you know, something sensational, something explosive, something new to Faffner Hall.
Something sensational, something explosive. I know just the thing. I'll make this first Festival of Sound the last.
Oh, Riff, I wonder if this will be the sound to top the bill.
What is it, Mimi?
The element.
The element?
Yeah.
Ooh. It sounded great.
Yeah, but can you imagine a whole concert? Ooh. Now there's the sound.
Two sounds, honk and boing. There's a lot you could do with sounds like that.
Whoa. Hey, how would you like to be in our very first Festival of Sound? Honk once for no and twice for yes.
Oh, I like the sound of that guy. Honk, boink, boink, honk, boink, boink.
Me too. I'm gonna go tell the wild imp what we found.
Honk, boink, boink, honk, boink, boink.
Something sensational, he said. Something explosive. Well, here's dynamite! Yes, I'll blow up Faffner Hall, put the blame on them, and collect the insurance money. Aren't I wicked?
Can I believe my ears?
Yes, I'd better put this away from prying eyes. A festival of sound. They'll hear the sound of that, all right. Kaboom!
The dynamite will blow up, all right, but not Faffner Hall. I'll use an old ghostly trick I know to spook it. Farkas won't be amused, but I will. Hollow, wallow, follow. Go on, shoot.
Oh, dear me. Oh, excuse me. Do you have something that could top the bill at our Festival of Sound?
Uh-huh. I do a pretty good impression of oatmeal cooking. It's my favorite sound.
Sensational! Let's hear it.
Blup, 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 blup.
Yes, well, very good, but we'll keep it on the back burner, shall we? Oh, dear, dear, dear. Oh, Tootie, do you have a sound?
I don't think so.
Huh? Oh, wait a minute, what was that?
What?
That,
You mean my hiccups?
yes, oh, they're the hiccups of the century. Yes, we'll use them in the festival.
We will?
Yes, it's just the sound I've been listening for. Let's hear it again. I love it.
Oh no, they've gone.
Are you sure? Well, let me know if they come back, will you? Oh, dear. Somewhere there's a new and sensational sound, and I'm waiting to hear it.
Yes, and I know where it is.
Oh, no, you don't.
Farkas, Wild Impresario, and a parcel for Farkas. That'll do, won't it? Who's this for? Nigel Kennedy. There's a bloke called Fiddle called Nigel Kennedy, I think. I know him. Yeah, it's me. All right, I'll have that one. Great. Farkas, Wild Impresario, Fughetta. Well, that must be from a ghostwriter, isn't it? I'll put that up on the shelf here. Yes, I can smell something nice here. Wow, smells like a florist shop. That'll do.
Dear, I must find this new sound.
Hey, Mr. Wild.
Yes, Nigel?
Yeah, what are you doing, mate?
I'm looking for new sounds.
I thought you were, then can I have a word?
Well, no, you see, I'm awfully busy today. Terribly busy.
Yeah, well, look, you've got time for this. If you want new sounds, I can give you some. Look at this, mate.
Where?
Out of here. What do you
That's
think?
a violin.
Yeah. You don't think you can get new sounds out of that?
Oh, everyone knows how a violin sounds.
Well, yeah, I guess they do. You can imagine it sound like this, right?
Yes.
Yeah? And, like, I suppose you'd think it would sound like this, too.
Yes.
And this, too, eh?
Incredible. But we were looking for different sounds.
Oh, really? Well, look, I think I can make something. Listen to this.
Well, that is different, but we were really looking for something out of this world.
Oh, you want some sounds out of this world? Check these out, eh? Or maybe, what about a bit of this, eh? And, like, when you put all that stuff together, you can get something pretty cool, I think. Check this out.
That was the most absolutely...
Absolutely what?
Absolutely... What's that?
What, this pink envelope addressed to you, which is smelling like a florist shop?
Yes, what is it?
Well, it's a pink envelope addressed to you, smelling like a florist shop, isn't it?
For me? For me?
Yeah, it's yours, babe. Hey, Mr. Wild, you've heard it now. What do you think about me, like, topping the bill in the Festival of Sound?
Yes, Nigel, I'll get back to you on that. For me. For me.
Wild, Riff and I have found all sorts of sounds for... Whoa, Nellie Bell! Smell that perfume!
Yes, I know.
What is it?
It's a letter.
Who's it from? A girl?
Well,
It is a girl! Which girl?
Oh, it's a girl I used to know, but I haven't heard from her for a long time.
And now she's written you a letter. Oh, what's it say?
Oh, it's just a note. Yes, her name is Zola. Zola. It was always one of my favorite sounds. Zola. My second love.
Your second? Why, you old romantic you. Who was your first?
My first? Oh, she sounded wonderful. Magnificent. Her name was Joni. Joni Mitchell.
Once in a while, in a big blue moon, there comes a night like this. Like some surrealist invented this 4th of July night right home. Hula girls and caterpillar tractors in the sand. Ukulele men, the fireworks this 4th of July night right home. I love the men beside me. We love the open road. No phones till Friday. Far from the overkill, far from the overload. Back to the bar, the band tears down, but I'll hear in the headlight beams the silver power lines gleam on this 4th of July night right home. Round the curve in a big dark horse, red tail lights on his
But that was before I met Zola. Zola and I were in a gang. The Wild Bunch. I was much wilder in my youth. I think I've got a picture of us somewhere. Yes, here. Oh, those were the days. There was Joe, Ray, me, Faz, Zola. All the sounds we got up to.
Gee, you look good.
Oh, but I don't care how I look. It's how I sound that counts. All the Wild Bunch love sounds, especially Zola. And now Zola's coming here. I better work on how I sound.
You sound fine.
Me, 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 me.
What?
Wait! I just thought Zola will hear our festival of sounds. Oh, no. I haven't found a sound to top the bill yet.
Oh, wait. Riff and I found one that goes honk, boing, boing, and one that goes shh. Wild, you're not even paying attention.
Kaboom! Bang! Oh, when Faffner Hall's demolished, there'll be no more festival of sound. No more music, just the tinkling of falling bricks.
Mr. Faffner?
Something wrong? There soon will be.
But Mr. Faffner!
Don't worry about Farkas, dear. I've got everything under control. Run along and help the Wild Imp find a sound to top the bill.
Faffner Hall gets weirder every day. Honk, boing, boing, honk, boing, boing,
Next.
boing, boing, honk, boing, boing.
And who are you?
We're trash. You want to hear some rubbish?
Sure, we listen to all sorts of junk.
And that's what we play. Listen.
Oh.
What's that?
The doorbell. I'll get it.
Okay.
Excuse me. Hello? Hello? Hey. Oh, hi.
Who are you?
I'm Zola, la, 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 la. I'm looking for the wild...
What are you staring at? Everyone's been staring at me today. I must be looking extremely handsome. The dynamite! No, stay away from me! No, stay! Go away! Go away! Go away!
Oh, now the fun really begins. By the way, I'm Fughetta Faffner. I'm a ghost and I must be going. Bye!
Bye. Hi.
You must be Zola.
Yes, I am, but how did you know?
You look the same as in Wild's picture.
Oh, Wild, I can't wait to see him. I want him to meet my husband and my kids. They're part of the surprise I have for him. I'll go and get them. That is, if you think it's safe.
Safe? Well, of course it's safe.
Okay.
Husband and kids? Oh, that will be a surprise. Poor Wild.
Call it up! Call it up!
Zola, sweet as cola. I sound great. Maybe I should top the bill.
Hey, Wild! What is this?
Oh, Riff, you are looking at the real Wild Impresario.
But what was that song you were singing?
Oh, that's a little song I made up. You know, I guess we all have music in our heads. Yeah. Sounds we like dum-de-dum-dum-dum.
Doobie-doobie-doobie.
Dum-ba-dum-bum-bum.
Doobie-doobie-doo.
Help me!
Help me!
Call it off! Call it off! Dynamite! Dynamite?
Don't worry, it won't hurt anyone.
What did you say?
The dynamite?
Oh, dear, oh, bother!
So it was you, was it, you gormless ghoul?
The dynamite!
Right, come here. Come back, that's mine!
Wild! She's here!
Dynamite!
No, Zola!
Sweet as apple cola.
Zola? Well, why didn't you say so? Oh, well, where is she? Oh, why is she? I mean, how does she sound? Where did she look? How do I look? Where do I sound?
Oh, come
on! Zola?
I can't wait to see Wild's face.
Zola? Zola?
Oh, Wild, you haven't changed. I remember that jacket.
Oh, you sound great.
Yeah, you too, but then come to think of it, you always did.
Oh, you really mean that?
You know Ray?
Oh, sure. Hi, Ray. How are you?
Fine.
I haven't seen you since the old Wild Bunch days.
Yeah.
Ray and I, we got married.
Oh, you and Ray got married?
Yeah.
And these are our two kids, Mo and Joe. Go on, Mo and Joe, say hello.
Hi.
Hi. Well, gee, that's great. It was really nice of you to come and see me.
We heard about your Festival of Sound.
Yeah.
You did? Oh, well, I still haven't found the sound to top the bill.
That's why we're here.
Really?
We formed a band.
Yeah, and we kept the old name, the Wild Bunch.
Well, maybe you've got the sound to top the bill.
Why don't you play for us?
Okay, great, let's go.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Well, it is a great sound. But should it top the bill? I so want the festival to end with a bang.
Gotcha! Farkas, I do believe you've got what we've been listening for. Grow up, throw up, blow up.
Brilliant!
That's it! Why, that's the sound of the century!
What happened?
Oh, Farkas, dear. As I believe the expression goes, that was dynamite.
Dynamite? Oh!
You're as wild as ever!
Yeah, really wild.
Ghost of Faffner Hall. Ooh.